现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey everyone, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and here we are with Luo Wenyu Wing Lo with a song called Cha Dang Sang Ge Feng, which means Wind on Cha Ding Mountain. Now, this is to commemorate the 100-year anniversary of his elementary school that he went to called Longdu Guoxiao. Let's take a stroll around his childhood memories.
Cha Dang Sang Ge Feng, 吹响爱的童年梦，免去头白添忧酸。大家有缘共学同，茶当山的风，吹响学校的老师钟，草丛成英雄，太树下讲小空。亲爱的朋友，俺都演过多好么？头摆欣赏高兴还记得么？一种态度强刚一通，人生又苦又快乐。亲爱的朋友，俺都演过多好么？头摆欣赏高兴还记得么？又喊归来坐了看看，乡树茶当山的风。茶当山的风，吹响爱的童年梦，免去头摆添忧酸，大家有缘共学同。茶当山的风，吹响学校的老师钟，草丛成英雄，太树下讲小可。亲爱的朋友，俺都演过多好么？头摆欣赏高兴还记得么？一种态度强刚一通，人生又苦又快乐。亲爱的朋友，俺都演过多好么？头摆欣赏高兴还记得么？又喊归来坐了看看，乡树茶当山的风。
罗文玉这首《茶当赏给风》茶顶山的风呢，是在庆祝他母校龙渡国小的100岁生日哦。里面有唱出他学校的老时钟，还有运动场上的赛跑，以及学校后方茶顶山吹来的风，非常有画面。I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm Joseph Lin. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.